Forerunner 35 makes it easy to take your running to the next level. Let's learn about the watch's basic functions and get ready for your first run. Start by making sure your watch is fully charged. Now, let's get familiar with the keys. The one on the top left is the power and backlight key. Press it to turn on the backlight. Hold it to power your watch on or off. The back, menu, and lap key on the bottom left has several functions. Starting on the clock screen, press it to access the menu. When navigating menus, press it to return to the previous page. You can also enable it to mark a lap while the timer is running, or hold it from any widget screen to access the menu. The Start, Stop, and Enter key is on the top right. This key starts and stops the timer during an activity. It's also the key you press to make a selection when you're navigating through menu options. Finally, the Down key on the bottom right lets you advance through widgets, data screens, or a list of options. When paired with a compatible smartphone, you can also press and hold it to bring up music controls. When you first turn on your watch, you will be asked a few setup questions. Here you can select your time and language preference and set up your user profile. During this time, you'll be given the option to pair your smartphone with Forerunner 35. You'll also want to enter your gender, age, weight, and height for more accurate calorie data. Once setup is complete, you're ready to go for a run. Go outside and press the Start key on the top right. Here, you can scroll through the built-in activity profiles. Select Run Outdoor. Your device will take a moment to acquire a satellite signal. The screen will say Ready when Forerunner 35 has your location. Press the Start key once more to begin the activity. The timer will appear and you're ready to run. During the activity, the timer screen displays your distance, total time, and pace. Press the Down key to see screens detailing your heart rate zone, heart rate, calories burned, and more. To stop the timer, press the Stop key. If you're just pausing for a break, select Resume when you're ready to continue your run. If you're finished, save your run by using the Down button to scroll down to the Save option, and then the Enter key to select it. Then you'll see a summary of your run, which includes total time, mileage, average pace, and calories burned. Scroll down to view more stats. If you hit any personal records on a run, like your fastest mile or longest run to date, Forerunner 35 shows those too. To learn more about the great features your Forerunner 35 has to offer,
Slow down. Speed up to reach 7 kilometers per hour.
Hey Google, call Mike. See you soon.
Okay, great. Don't be late. Hey Google, where's the nearest flower shop?
Book an Uber to the Orchid. I'm so sorry I'm late. Happy anniversary.